Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So, क्या है मेरे पास? As you guys can see, there's an action camera. But why there's an action camera? Okay, let me tell you guys. Few days ago मैंने क्या किया था? मैंने अपने Facebook पर, Instagram पर, WhatsApp में पिक्चर बनाई थी जिसमें मैंने बताया था कि जब मेरे 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे, after that what I will do is I will give away an action camera to the most active member. Active member in a sense, जो बंदा मेरे चैनल में बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिव रहता हो, कमेंट्स करता हो, मुझे सजेशंस देता हो, मुझे टिप्स देता हो. उसके लिए मैंने सोचा था, मैंने डिसाइड किया था कि जो सब्सक्राइबर बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंडल्ज है मेरे चैनल के साथ, बहुत ही ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड कर रहा है मेरे चैनल पर, बहुत ही ज़्यादा अपना एफर्ट दिखा रहा है मेरे चैनल पर, तो उस बंदे को मैं एक एक्शन कैमरा गिफ्ट करूंगा. कैसे? उससे डिफरेंट तरीके की वीडियोस वगैरह बना करके अपलोड करे या फिर अपने पर्सनल स्टोरेज के लिए वो रखें. ओके फाइन. सो एज यू गाइस कैन सी, मेरे पास एक एक्शन कैमरा है which I ordered and it's already there with me. It looks pretty good. काफी सुंदर है. It's nice. चलो कोई बात नहीं. Camera is here with me. Now let's check out what are the other things that I'm getting with this camera. Let's start from this side. This is one mount that you get with the camera. पहला माउंट है. दूसरा for the handlebar. तीसरा is for a tripod if I'm not mistaken. ऐसा कि क्योंकि अच्छा यहाँ पर screws and all that. Okay, what else? There's one more. There's one more mount. This is a tripod mount if I'm not mistaken. You can put your camera over here. यहाँ पर screws है जो आपके tripod के साथ आता है. Then you can just put it like that. Then you can start shooting. Okay, fine. Next what we have is this one. Let's see. ये क्या है? ये if I'm not mistaken ये एक stripe है जो आप अपने हाथों पर पहन सकते हो. That what we have is a USB cable. It's a universally accepted cable, so it's like in this form. So आप अपने नॉर्मल फ़ोन के चार्जर से भी इसको चार्ज कर सकते हो. Good to go. Next what do we get along with this is an user manual जिसमें बहुत सारे कुछ लिखे होंगे. अच्छा इसमें mention भी किया हुआ है some tips and all that. You can read this user manual. Then you have this mode switching option setting and all that is mentioned over here. Then you have this picture of product and preferences of water case and all that. Sports cam, user manual, warnings, preface, product features. Okay, fine. ये सब जिसको मिलेगा वो पढ़ लेगा भाई. So let's try to take out the camera first. In order to take out the camera, if I'm not mistaken, you have to do this, then pull it out. Do this ऐसे. काफी सुंदर सा कैमरा है by the way. And as you can see, HD 1080 pixels. You can record with this. There's a selection options, or you can say selection keys are given. This is the screen. OK key, lens, the mode switch. Then you have the USB, and you have the memory slot. And there's a casing for the battery. चलो, everything is fine. अब एक काम करते हैं, इसको on करके check करेंगे. So since I got this product today itself, and I guess there's no charger in this camera, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this charger which is of my phone. So I'll just try to charge this here. Okay, like this. As soon as I put the charger, there's one red light glowing over here which indicates it's charging. Okay, sports camera. Let's go. Okay, so this is how it's on, and the picture quality is good, I must say. Maybe in the video it's not that clear, but in real life, yeah, it is fine enough. You see, looks good. Okay, now let's. Okay, no card. I have to put a memory card. No problems. I'll do that later. Pretty decent camera, I must say. So let's put it back inside the case. This is the waterproofing case that you'll get along with the camera. So guess I have to put it like this. Okay, close it. Like this. One click means that it's properly packed and all that. And along with that, there's one more mount over here that you can mount directly to your helmet. That's it. So, any further informations about this camera, feel free to ask me anything. And one more thing, that the participation is still on, and the competition is still on. It's not a competition, it's actually like it's something like you have to impress me or something like that. Like if जैसे कि मेरे चैनल पर अभी बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिविटी अगर आप लोग दिखाएंगे एंड ऑल दैट, तो जिस बंदे को मैं जो बंदा मुझे लगेगा कि नहीं दिस गाय इज़ लाइक शोइंग मी 200% एफर्ट एंड ऑल दैट, तो मैं क्या करूँगा, उस बंदे को सेलेक्ट करके दिस एक्शन कैमरा will be given directly to that guy. If he is from this city, then I can just go personally and give it to him. Agar if he is from somewhere outside, I'll just get his contact information, mailing address and all that, then I'll send this camera to him. So without wasting much time, if you want me to do these things a lot in the future, then please let me know about it in the comment section, and please if you have anything else to say regarding some more giveaways, any more ideas, your ideas will always be appreciated and will be taken care of. So please, if possible, if you think I'm doing it good, I'm doing it right, please do subscribe to my channel, do hit the bell icon, do like, comment and share the video so that everybody else gets a chance to get this. Ta-da! Till then, see you next time, next video. Bye bye.